If you're looking for something new to try for dinner, if you're looking for something so simple that you can do it in one pan, that's so rich and creamy and delicious and just hits all the right spots, you're kind of the right place, because today we're gonna make creamy garlic chicken parmesan pasta. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. Thanks for clicking on that thumbnail, and thanks for getting on board, because today we're gonna make something so delicious. But before we can start, let me tell you what we're gonna need. So our ingredients list today, we have chicken breast or thighs you could use. We have salt, pepper, paprika, a little butter, a little olive oil. We got some chopped up garlic. We got some heavy cream, some chicken broth, some Parmesan cheese, obviously, and our pasta. And it's as simple as that. Today, I'm actually gonna kick this up a little bit and use some cherry tomatoes in there too.
That's all you need.
So now that we know what we need, let's get right into it. One pan, I still love using the cast iron pan. You could certainly use a stainless steel pan. You could use a non-stick pan if you wanted to, but I always, for some reason, I just always go back to my cast iron skillet, so that's what I'm gonna use today. We're just gonna take our chicken breast, we're just gonna season it a little bit with some salt, pepper, and paprika. Nothing too crazy, nothing you have to do ahead of time. You just wanna give it a little bit of flavor before we even get started in the pan. We got our oil in the pan, kind of a healthy amount. Like I said, I'm using chicken breast today that are cut thin. You could also use chicken thighs. I would suggest if you do go with chicken breast, just butterfly it, just gut it, or get it already thin at the store. It just cooks quicker, it's easier that way. Put our chicken in our pan. Just gonna quickly season our other side. Now this is an important part. You're gonna wanna take your time for this. We're gonna wanna get it nice and browned up, because that brown, that caramelization on that chicken, that's gonna be the flavor. So don't rush this part. We're gonna get this chicken cooked off. We're gonna get it nice and brown on both sides.
5 minutes later.
Let's take a quick look at our chicken, see what we got. There we go, see, we're getting there. Needs a little bit more time. So while this is cooking, this is a great time to cook off your pasta, whatever kind of pasta you like. You could use a fettuccine, spaghetti. I mean, I just went with this penne rigatoni right now. I already got it cooked off, oiled down so it doesn't stick. You know, just to make things quicker for the show.
Good idea.
So after like 5 minutes or so, we're gonna see some nice browning. That's exactly what you're looking for. Gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. All right, so it's been, another 5-6 minutes. We get a nice char on the outside of our chicken. Just gonna take that off the heat for now. Let's, gonna move this to the side. I'm just gonna go ahead on the side. I'm just gonna slice up this chicken to add in later. But while this is doing what it's doing, let's get right into making our sauce that's gonna go with this. So we wanna turn our heat down, because we're gonna be putting in our garlic at this point. We don't wanna burn it. And because I'm adding tomatoes to this, now's the time I'm gonna wanna do that. If you were doing spinach or something like that, that could probably wait to the end, because it's really just gonna wilt down really fast. There we go, you can tell it's got all that flavor from the chicken on the bottom. We got our heavy cream. Look at our chicken stock. We're just gonna let this come to a slight simmer. Now, as you can notice, now that we get this to a slow simmer. We haven't added any flour to this at all because we're not gonna thicken it with flour and fat like you would a roux. We're just gonna thicken this with a whole bunch of grated Parmesan cheese. And again, we're just gonna bring this up to a really slow simmer. And all those flavors are gonna start pulling together. Oh, it smells so good already. That cream and chicken broth is just gonna really start coming together. Our sauce is thickening up. Absolutely perfect. Now we're just gonna take our chicken that I already sliced up, and that's just going right back in. Yeah, look at that. That is looking good. Whoops. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna put a little parsley in here. I love any dinner that you can make all in one pan. Anything you can do to make it simple and easy. And you can smell, you know, just the garlic and the seasonings. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take some pasta. I'm just gonna fold it right in. Absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna let this simmer for just literally 30 seconds more, and then I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna taste it. See how easy that was? And I know it's gonna be delicious. So stick around. So we're done. It's that easy. Take a look at how delicious this is. Oh, it looks so delicious, and I know it's gonna be good too. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, look at, we've got our perfectly cooked pasta. The tomatoes look good. Nice piece of chicken in there. I don't need that whole piece of chicken right now. Ooh, looks hot. It came out even better than I could have thought. The flavors are so on point. It's an absolute game changer. You need to try this. So I appreciate you watching all the way to the end. Give this a try sometime. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment, and check out some of my other videos. All right? So thanks for watching, and go cook something.